Monica Laneri, and I'm here to represent thousands of citizens that for many years have observed the sky above their heads all over Italy, in each of its 20 regions during all seasons of the year. Every day, dozens of photos and videos are being taken, and moreover, to date, an archive of thousands of documents, laws, agreements, available to everyone, confirm what I'm going to tell you. What people see is not the cobalt blue sky that nature naturally gives us, nor is it the white fair weather cumulus clouds or the white high altitude cirrus clouds. None of this. What we experience every day are tracks, two please, that remain long hours above our heads. Before this one. That remain long hours above our hands. They widen, number 3 please, and create milky veils, 4 please, that as they amalgamate create a blue-gray sky without depth, 5 please. This white-tinged sky transforms as the hour passes into the white curtain that covers our sky every day, veiling the sun. The sun itself no longer appears round, 6 please, but rather distorted into an ellipse with irregular ramifications, 7. This is the sun we can look directly at. And the white clouds, 9 please, seeing a sky like this, the number 9, is a dream that we must relegate to our happiest days, those of childhood, because skies like this have been stolen from us in Italy, Europe, and sadly all over the world. These are not the Mediterranean clouds introduced by Dr. Henry Mr. Papi and Dr. Gianna Petriconi in their 1980s book Nuvole Mediterranee, number 10, please, in which they describe landscapes never seen before, telling us those are natural clouds. These same authors, Henry Papi and Gianna Petriconi, are the signatories of a patent according to which it's possible to modify weather conditions and manipulate rainfall cycles by intervening on clouds using suitable fuels. This patent dates back to 1973 and was assigned to the National Research Council Italian in 1977. In the text of this patent, it is explains in detail how it is possible to alter the composition of the fuel in order to break down atmospheric humidity and dissolve cloud formations that could cause rainfall. This is possible by adding aluminium, magnesium, and other alkaline elements, which reacting with the waste sulfates resulting from combustion, result in a fine mixture of hygroscopic nanopowders. And this is exactly what nuclear physicist and chemist Marvin Herdon explains in his scientific publication drafted after analyzing material accidentally fallen from a plane in Michigan area. These are his words. After learning how to make clouds produce rain or snow more or less on demand, the next technological step was to learn how to inhibit rainfall to bring drought and starvation to a perceived enemy nation. For at least 30 years, experiments were conducted in the lower atmosphere, called troposphere, that involved jets spraying undisclosed substances which left particulate trails across the sky, number 10 please, that were witnessed by millions. The principle involved in inhibiting rain is simple and is well known from pollution studies. Micron and submicron particulate pollution matter, when sprayed into a region where clouds form, keeps moisture droplets from coalescing to form drops sufficiently heavy to fall as rain or snow. Let's go straight to the conclusion of this article. The result of this investigation provide evidence that is indicative of a deliberate effort to hasten and melting of glaciers and thereby hasten global warming. If so, this investigation reinforces the net effect of daily particular aerosol spraying in the troposphere observed worldwide. Elsewhere, the author has provided evidence that coal fly ash is the primary material being employed in such a spraying, whose net effect is to enhance global warming. Scientists worldwide should call for, and I did demand, a full and open investigation into discovered geoengineering activities whose potential impacts on Earth's climate system, the integrity of Earth's biota, and on human health may prove to be extremely hazardous. The DOI is 10.9734. Another major study from 2016, DOI 10.1016, number 12, please, comes from the atmospheric physicist Ulrike Lohmann, who could access Zurich Airport in order to collect samples of aviokerosene from different aircraft and have them analyzed. The result is that 16 different types of different substances were detected. Number 12, please. Exactly. Chromium, iron, molybdenum, sodium, calcium, aluminium, barium, cobalt, copper, nickel, lead, magnesium, manganese, silicon, titanium, zirconium. The analyses are exactly what citizens are asking for. Therefore, after repeatedly asking the institution for air, water, and soil analysis, and after seeing all institutional doors closed, these same citizens decided to proceed independently with the analysis of the natural elements that underline public health. What came out left the citizens dismayed. In fact, very high concentration of aluminum, barium, fluorine, and lead were detected in rural areas in different parts of Italy. Let's go and have a look. Our ground analyzes rainwater, 13 please, organic honey and vegetables in the Calabria region. In the chosen area, the environment is rural, far from any industrial area, motorways, or urban centers. The results were striking and equally worrying. 14, please. In rainwater, what stands out is the presence of aluminium, 34 milligrams kilo, barium, 6.9 milligrams kilo, and strontium, 8.1 milligram kilo. In organic honey, 15 please, aluminium is present at 3.83 milligrams kilo. After these results, we proceeded to analyze rainwater in each Italian region, and the results are invariably the same. The presence of toxic chemical elements, especially fluorine and lead, is consistent. 16. Here we are in the northeast of Italy, and we have iron at 9.3 milligram kilo, lead at 1.4 milligram kilo, and fluorine at 47.8 milligram kilo. On the next slide, 17 please. We are in the northwest Italy, and we find iron at 3.2 milligram kilo, lead at 0.7 milligram kilo, and fluorine at 55.8 milligram kilo. What I'm going to show you next is even more striking, because we are in the Alps of the Aosta Valley, an enchanted place surrounded by the wildest nature. We tested 2 different organic honeys from 2 different places and found aluminium in those locations as well. 18 and 19. In Charvezon-Reverière, we found 2.82 milligram kilo aluminium, and in the Champorcher Valley, we found 183 milligram. Okay, I am in the half of my, kilo. What we strongly demand is an exhaustive and influential response from Italian and European institutions, given the fact that multinationals such as Bayer Monsanto, number 20, please, which hold 40% of the global seed market, have developed a gene that can resist aluminium, and in line with the long-standing business culture, tend to strengthen their monopoly through patents that will enable them to control our food and agriculture, limiting farmers' access to natural seeds. History teaches us, in the case of Bayer Monsanto, it's known that in 1980s, 1990s, thousands of Indian farmers committed suicide due to debt. This happened because of the seed price monopoly, and as a result of the lawsuits the corporation filed against Indian farms for not paying royalties on seed. But the most peculiar thing is an article published by the magazine Echo in the 1st October 2013, which titled Monsanto is the leader on climate date. What does the corporation do? They buy a company that addresses climate issue for the modest sum of $930 million. A month later, it releases the aluminum-resistant gene. And the month after that, it starts investigating weather forecasting. A further month later, Meteo France disappears from the national public broadcasting networks, and the weather forecasts are handed to the France subsidiary of the British Mail Group. Okay, I thank you very much. Thank you.